thank you for clicking this video. In this video, I will be doing pop smoke braids. And if you do not know what that is, I will insert a picture right here. But the things you'll need is basically a comb to separate rubber bands and any kind of hair sleeve. So I will be using the Superline 100% Calculon. The color is 30 and some kind of gel. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn on that notification button. And that's on period. Let's get into it. All the way down. Get your little 2 ponytails in. Start parting like that. You have sections, right? This is where you get all your edges out and everything. Just comb it. See, I ain't got no edges, but like it's some now. It's some now. So you take your little gel or whatever. You grab a little bit. What you do, go all the way around it with your gel. And go over your part. Put your gel here and go over your part. Just like that. You got your part right. You go over it again. You gotta, that's how you do it. So you got your first section. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm doing it. See, this is my first time doing these braids. Put that there. Section. You split it into 3. And as you braid it down, you grab a piece of the hair. And you just grip it into that braid. And you just keep doing the same thing. Keep gripping the hair into it and then keep like adding on. Do the same thing with the hair. Just grab a piece and grip it in. See? I'm going to take this hair that I have, gripping the hair in, so it can just blend right into it. Now, what I do is go under it, so I can make it seem like it's blending into it, you know?
Bitch, I know you fucking lying.
So it won't slip out. Okay, let me show you. Now, if you want it bigger, you can just add more hair. But me, I didn't add any more hair. I just, you know, because I didn't want it as big. So, as it blends in, now, that's one braid. If you want it as big, you can add more hair. And like, if you want your parts to be bigger, you can add, or smaller. It don't matter. It's your preference. Now, let me show you if you do it over. It doesn't matter if you do it over or under. But it's just, as you can see, it blends in more. But yes, I'm gonna do this side and just come back. But let me, ooh, I don't like when it's not pre-plucked. I hate it. It's all tanked up. That's about it. And just keep adding on here to make it like thick at the ends and like blend in if it makes. So yeah, I'm gonna speed it up and come right back and show you one more time on this side. I decided to show y'all one more time on this side. Well, 2 times on this side and 2 times on this side, so I can just speed through for the back. It's supposed to be like a stitch braid, but I'm not as good as the stitch braids. I can kind of show y'all, but like, you know, these are like medium size type thing. You get your part, make sure that part is even with the other part. So like so. I'm gonna try to show y'all how to do the stitch, but you keep parting it like this as you add on here. I tried in the first one, but it didn't work. As you can see, you see the little kind of sort of stitches. Yeah. So first, you start off with 1 stitch. Now with that stitch, you braid regular. The other stitch, you connect that with it and then add your hair to that one. See, it's not showing. But basically, that's how you do it. I'll be practicing and come back and show y'all how to do it. So I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. Okay, I messed up. It's cause this hair coming out the ponytail. Comment down below if I'm getting everything right. If y'all know how to do it. Cause like I'm just showing y'all how I do my stuff. Like it's not like it's a professional way or nothing. It's the way you want it to be. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. It's just adding on the hair. So I'm for to speed it up and finish this side and then come back. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I did this side, but the back part is messed up because I cannot see the back. And I tried to use my mirror, but it's not working out for me today. So I'm gonna show you how I did. Ooh, this rubber band stuck. Hold up. I went ahead. This is actually feeding as well because I used the hair that matched my hair color. And I'm just adding on the 30 color. And that's about it. So I'm gonna just get right into it. I gotta pre-scratch the other hair because I only use like 2 packs because these are like medium size. And that's on period. And then after that, I'm gonna do my edges. So just stay tuned. And that's on period. And let's get into it.
Okay, so I finished all the braids. Let me show you guys. So I cannot see the back, so I know those messed up, so don't comment.
They say they messed up, so
You fucking lied.
it is not perfect, but that was my tutorial. And right now I'm going to braid the ends and do my edges, the ones that I got. Yep. And that's on period. Let's get into it. Okay, I did my edges. Listen, I need some better edge control because it stay down, but like it do what it want. But anyways, that was the finishing look. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Made my hair look big, but this was the period pop smoke braids. And these are like medium size. Everybody is doing it big and I wanted to be different. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to come back for more, which means you gotta turn on that notification to know if I post. So do that. And that's on period. And thank you for clicking this video. And I just hope you enjoyed. And I'm gonna go now. Bye bye.